SitAWhile Season 2 is here. So that means that every second Sunday this quarter, we'll be having piano and stillness time to restore and recharge from 1 p.m. Eastern and 8 p.m. Central European time. Now, your time is precious, and I know you have your personal reasons why SitAWhile has become precious to you. So, I'd like to share with you 10 tips to help you get the most from your SitAWhile time. So, clear the way, because these preparation hacks can help you to level up a notch on the value that you get from these sessions. So, as you go through these tips, which one will help you to maximize your SitAWhile time? By choosing your location in advance, you'll be less likely to have an additional stress point as you draw closer to the time. Let water work for you. Have a glass of water nearby. You don't have to get up when you're thirsty, or simply soak your feet or your whole body in a bathtub while you listen to music. Close your eyes, lift your head and look up. Pray, meditate, deep breathing. Take full, deep breaths to help you to relax. Smile. Frequent wearing of masks impacts how much we are using our facial muscles these days. Get a pencil, a crayon, paper. Be creative, draw. Have a notebook and a pen nearby to capture thoughts that might distract you, or any thoughts of inspiration or images that will come during this time. Have a hanky nearby, and don't be afraid to let those tears fall. And if doing SitAWhile with others is helpful to you, go ahead, invite someone into your space. Whatever works for you, let SitAWhile work to give you that value to restore. You owe it to yourself. So here are the dates. Register at the link provided, and I look forward to seeing you there.